best eating grouper right here, but yellow bow.
It's not my fault.
Well, you don't see or get no fish. Don't come complain to me.
So you're trying to say you can't produce no fish unless you come early?
No, not everything, but everything with time and place for everything. You say you know all about time. You forget when I first meet you, I cuss you when you was lady.
Yeah, and what did I do? Laugh at you?
Yeah, laughing, my thing. Nigga after laugh.
What? Is that a threat? Take it back?
No, I ain't taking it back.
Wow, that's powerful. Why is all this traffic here though?
Because up there flooded.
Oh yeah.
We couldn't leave on time.
If we leave on time, we would have been in the rain though.
That's fine. We would have been already out.
No, I doubt it.
Run this rain.
I doubt it.
Yeah. Look at that, if you live here, you just
Stand. I know that going in our exhaust. Babe, if I pass it by this, real OG, triple G. Babe, don't speed.
yeah, babe, but
Because if you have to brake,
I gotta burn all that thing. I mean, you want to push power out the exhaust there. You see the water we saw? That could have been someone's cesspit, you know. Go overflow, babe. Maybe think all this water again, right in your cesspit, babe.
this is the worst part about it all, carrying everything to the boat. The worst part. Well, no, I lied. The worst part is actually carrying everything from the boat.
grouper right here with yellow mouth. It's a nice second yellow mouth.
Nice.
Got it?
Barely.
In the mouth. In the mouth.
And open it.
In the mouth.
And open it. It ain't close to mud on me. Ah, right.
Did you get it?